appellant in writ proceedings sought quashing of an order dated 2 April 2012 passed by the second respondent cancelling her appointment as a junior clerk. The second respondent held that the appellant had gained employment on the basis of a forged caste certificate, and that consequently, and in light of clause 12 of the appointment order, her selection and appointment was liable to be terminated. Unsuccessful in her challenge to the said order before the learned single judge, the instant appeal has come to be preferred. The learned single judge, while dismissing the right petition on 4 February 2016, has noted that the caste certificate on the strength of which the appellant obtained appointment was found to have been never issued. It was further noted that while the appellant claimed to be belong to the Turaha caste, in the inquiry proceedings it was found that her father held a caste certificate which showed him as belonging to the Dhimar caste. The learned single judge repelled the contention urged on behalf of the appellant that her appointment could not have been cancelled after more than 5 years without holding of the departmental inquiry of the ground that the cancellation of the appointment was not on account of any misconduct, but in terms of clause 12 of the appointment order, which itself empowered the appointing authority to annul the appointment in case it was found that any of the certificates submitted at the time of gaining employment were forged or fabricated. We found ourselves unable to accept either of the submissions at the outset. It may be noted that when an internal inquiry was instituted, a report was called for from the Tahsildar Kasganj in respect of the caste certificate submitted by the appellant. The report of the Tahsildar Kasganj dated 14 December 2011 stated in unequivocal terms that no such certificate had been issued in favor of the appellant, nor was there any record or any evidence of the issuance of the caste certificate to her by the office of the Tahsildar Kasganj. Additionally, it was found that the caste certificate of the father of the appellant recorded him as belonging to the Dhimar caste, while the certificate submitted by the appellant showed her as belonging to the Turaha caste. It was on the above state of the record that the second respondent proceeded to cancel the appointment of the appellant, as the facts noted above would establish. It was not the allegation of the respondents that the appellant had either wrongly been granted a scheduled caste certificate or that she did not belong to Turaha caste. These issues may have merited a reference to the District Scrutiny Committee. However, the respondents were faced with a case where the caste certificate was found to be a forgery, and as per the report of the Tahsil